Good afternoon everybody, and once again welcome back to the channel. In this video I would love to show you how to actually use Spark Connect on EMR on EC2. You will find a lot of talks on Spark Connect, but there is no single video or resources which shows how to use on EMR. This video is exactly about that. I will show you how to configure your EMR on EC2 and use Spark Connect with that. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. By the way, I think this was a very old article I wrote in 2023 when Spark Connect was very new back then. So now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up on EMR on EC2 and how you can use it. Okay, so without wasting any further time, let's get started. All right. So I have a simple file over here which will create an EMR cluster. The most important thing is the Bootstrap script, because as the cluster will create, once the cluster is started, right, this bootstrapping action will take place and this will enable Spark Connect on that particular cluster. Here you can see the command, right? So we start the Spark Connect, right? So let's see this in action, right? That's the best way, right? Okay, so where am I? Okay, ls. Okay, so I'm gonna create a cluster. So /create cluster.shell, and it uploaded the Bootstrap script, and now it provisioned an EMR on EC2 cluster. KHA is my EMR cluster ID. I can come here, refresh. Here you can see that cluster is now in the starting state. So I think this will take a few probably minutes, because the bootstrapping action has to be completed, right? So I think I'll just maybe pause the video right here and then resume it once the cluster is ready, right? So as you can see, still it is in the starting state. So I'm going to pause the video right here. As you can see now that bootstrapping script is running on EMR. So again, just pausing the video right here again. All right, so you can see the cluster says it's in the waiting state, right? Now you can use it, right? If you click on the cluster, you should be able to copy the public DNS name. I have a very simple command which will export that as an environment variable, right? Just want to show you that. Okay, so now at my terminal, I export that, right? Now, once this is done, echo $cluster, here you can see, right? The same thing, right? Now I'm gonna start the Spark Connect, right? So bin PySpark -- remote sc : / your public DNS name of the EMR cluster. Alrighty, let's see if it works, right? So here you can see it is starting now, right? And it's connected. Now I should be able to run this, right? So if I run a simple create data frame and then just do a show, and in theory it does work, as you can see. So yeah, I just wanted to make a practical guide on how you can get started with Spark Connect on EMR on EC2. Quick note, a Glue interactive session uses a similar concept, right? You can connect, you can basically start an interactive session, right? So now you can spin up EMR on EC2 spot instances whenever you need an interactive session, and then connect to the cluster. And once the cluster is idle, maybe for like 1 or 2 or 5, depending upon your use case, right? You can auto terminate the cluster. So think of it like similar to Glue interactive session, right? Well, that's all I have for the video. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comment, and I will see you in the upcoming next video.